This is my YouTube channel. I'm making snow, and this is how you make snow. You use like you take a cup. This is real, like it feels really good. So first you have to use that, and then you use this, and then after that it's like liquid things and then you put I know this one is green, but it's supposed to be white. You can do whatever color you want, but it's conditioner, baking soda, conditioner, and a cup that looks like this, or it could look a different way, like a Christmas tree, whatever. So this is what it feels like. If you want, if you like the channel, we can make it. Subscribe down below. Click it, click it, click it. Making snow! Should I make a snowman? I don't know how to. Okay, I'm gonna make a snowman now. In my channel. Well, my snowmans are bad. Well, let's just go over that. And let's make snow. So first we do 3 cups of baking soda, 2 cups of hair conditioner, oh my god, I'm gonna make another patch of snow, so this is how you do it. Click the link button and subscribe down below. Click it, click it, click it. I was gonna do it before, but I'm making snow. No, I'm gonna do this in my channel. Okay. Okay, I think that's enough. And then I should pour it, all of it in. Oh, that's too much. But I guess I have to do it. Okay, I'm just gonna leave it like this. And then I'm gonna use the, what's it called? Baking soda. And I'm gonna put 3. This is baking soda. Hair conditioner. I keep forgetting that name. God, it feels so good. So, if you want to make this, that's super duper fun. Well, my tattoo's not coming out. So cool. If you like this channel, I Brian's balloon again. So, this is how you make snow for real. But bye! Click subscribe. Bye. Click the link button.